If you've ever been locked out of your Telegram two-step verification because you can't remember your password, and you don't have access to your recovery email, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do to reset your Telegram two-step password, even if your recovery email isn't an option. By the end, you'll know how to regain full access to your account, understand the process inside and out, and avoid losing any of your important chats, files, or groups. So let's dive right in. There are actually two main routes you can take in this situation, and I'll walk you through the recommended method step by step. The first option is ideal because it lets you reset your two-step verification password without losing your data, and all you need is to be logged in on another device. This could be your desktop app, a tablet, or even an old phone where Telegram is still active. It's important to note, though, that this process won't work with the Telegram Web A or Web K browser versions. Notably, those versions have limited security features, so for a password reset, stick to the dedicated app on either mobile or desktop. Once you've confirmed you're logged in somewhere other than the device you're locked out of, open Telegram on that device. Take your time here. It might be an old device you haven't touched in a while, so make sure it's connected to the internet and Telegram's running the latest version if possible. Now head into the settings menu. If you're on mobile, you'll find it by tapping the three lines in the corner or just your profile picture. On desktop, it's usually right up top or tucked in with the menu, but it should be easy to spot. Now under Settings, go to Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram houses most account protection features, including two-step verification. Scroll until you see either two-step verification or, in some versions of the app, it might be labeled Cloud Password. Tap on that. It's the gateway to changing your password. At this point, you'll see options to change your password. Since you don't have access to your recovery email, you're going to tap on Forgot Password, or in some cases, Change Password. Now here, where Telegram's security features kick in. Instead of just letting you set a new password instantly, which, let's be real, wouldn't be very secure, Telegram sometimes initiates a waiting period. In recent app versions, this can be up to 7 days. It might feel a little frustrating, but hang in there. The waiting period is designed to prevent unauthorized access if someone else tries to take control of your account and doesn't have your recovery info. So after you've started the reset process, just sit tight. You won't lose any of your data, and Telegram will notify you when the waiting period is up. At that point, hop back into Settings on your logged-in device and confirm the reset. You'll then be able to set a fresh two-step verification password. Think of it like resetting the combination on a lock. Once you've confirmed you're the owner, you get to pick a new code, and all your messages, media, and groups stay intact. And that's it. You've safely regained control without needing a recovery email and kept your account secure. If you ever find yourself without another logged-in device, the only other way would be to reset your entire account, which means starting from scratch, so definitely try this recommended method first. I hope this walkthrough made things clear and helped you feel a little more confident managing your Telegram security. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ran into something unusual, drop a comment below. I always try to reply. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials so you can stay on top of your digital life. Thanks for watching.